Practice set 6.1. Problem number 2. To find the factor of x square minus 10x plus 9, step 1 is find the product of the coefficient of the first term 1 and the constant term 9. 1 into 9 is 9. Then second step, look for the sign between the middle term and the constant term. So here the sign is plus and the coefficient of the middle term 10. So third step is find two factors which on multiplication give 9 as an answer, which on multiplication give 9 as an answer, and which on addition give 10. Two factor on multiplication we get 9 and which when added we get 10. The factors are easy to find. 9 into 1 is 9 and 9 plus 1 is 10. So the factors are 9 and 1. So now we split the middle term and keep all the terms and the sign, remaining terms and sign as it is. First term as it is, x square, sign as it is minus. Now split the middle term. The bigger number is 9. So we will write as 9x. Minus into plus minus. The second number 1. So you can write it as 1x or x. So I'll write it as 1x. And the remaining term and sign as it is, plus 9. Now pair up the first two term and the last two term. X square can be written as x into x, 9x, 9 into x. X is common in both the terms. So take x outside. So when you take x outside, only x is remaining in the first term. X minus as it is. In the second term, 9 is left. So we get x minus 9. Whenever there is minus sign here, take minus also outside. Take minus common. 1x is 1 into x and 9 is 9 into 1. So 1 is common in both the term. So take 1 outside. I told you whenever you take minus common, the sign of both the term will change. So when you take 1 outside common in the term 1x, x is left. So put a bracket, but here the sign is minus, but since you have taken minus outside, the sign will change, so it will be x. Now when you take 1 outside from the term 9, the term which is left is 9, but since here it is plus 9, we write as minus 9. The sign will change. You can see that the expression in the bracket is same, x minus 9. So now you take x minus 9 common from both the terms. X minus 9 common. So here we will be left with x minus 1. So that means the factors of x square minus 10x plus 9 are x minus 9 and x minus 1. Always keep in mind that whenever there is minus sign here, you have to take minus also as common with the term, which is common to both the terms. But when you take minus common, the sign of both this term will change. If it is minus, it will become plus. If it is plus, it will become minus. Problem 4. 5y square plus 5y minus 10. Step 1 is take the product of the coefficient of the first term and the constant. 5 into 10 is 50. Then second step is look for the sign between the middle term and the constant term. The sign is minus. Then the coefficient of the middle term 5. So third step is find two factor which on multiplication we get the answer as 50 and which on subtraction give the answer as 5. This one is also easy because 10 into 5 is 50 and 10 minus 5 is 5. So the factors are 10 and 5. So we will split only the middle term and the remaining term and sign we keep as it is. First term as it is, sign as it is. Now split the middle term. The bigger number is 10, 10y. Plus into minus, minus. The next number is 5, 5y. And the remaining term and sign as it is, minus 10. Pair up the first two term and the last two. 5y square can be written as 5 into y and 10y 5 into 2 into y. 5 is common, y is also common. So take 5y common. 5 is common in both the term and y is also common. So we will take 5y common from both the terms. So when I take 5y common from the first term, only y is left. Y and then the sign plus. When I take 5y common from the second term, 2 is left. Here we have a negative number, negative sign. So take minus outside. Now 5y is 5 into y and 10 is 5 into 2. So 5 is common in both the terms. So take 5 together with negative sign. Minus and 5 both are common in the last two terms. Put a bracket. Now when I take 5 common from the term 5y, y is left y. I am not writing minus because already I have taken minus. So the sign of both the terms will change. Here it is minus 5y, so it will be plus. And here it is minus, so here it will be plus. And the term which is left is 2. So again we are getting two terms. Now find the term which is common in these two terms. Y plus 2 is common. So take y plus 2 common. 5y is left in the first term. This minus here and 5 is left in the second term. So that means the factors of 5y square plus 5y minus 10 are y plus 2 and 5y minus 5. We can again write this as from both the term you can take 5 common. So I am keeping this 5 here. Now when you take 5 common from 5y, we get y minus, when you take 5 from 5, you will have 1 because 5y can be written as 5 into y and 5 we can write as 5 into 1. So 5 is common in both the term. So when you take 5 common from 5y, only y is left, and when you take 5 from 5, 1 is left. Problem 5. P square minus 2p minus 35. Take the product of the coefficient of the first term and the constant term. 1 into 35 is 35. Step 2 is look for the sign between the constant term and the middle term. Minus, and the coefficient of the middle term is 2. So find two factors which on multiplication give the answer as 35 and which on subtracting get the number 2. So this one is also easy. 7 5 is 35 and 7 minus 5 is 2. So the factors are 7 and 5. Split the middle term only and the remaining term we keep as it is. bigger of the two number is 7, 7p. Minus into minus plus 5p and minus 35 as it is. Pair up the first two term and the last two term. P square is p into p. 7p is 7 into p. P is common in both the term. Take p outside. Put a bracket. When you take p outside from the term p square, only p is left. And when you take p common from the second term, that is 7p, 7 is left. Put this minus here and then 7. 5p is 5 into p. 35 is 5 into 7. So 5 is common in both the term. So take 5 outside plus. Since here it is plus sign, we don't have to worry about sign change. The sign will not change if there is plus here. Put a bracket, p, this minus here and then 7. So you can see that the expression in the bracket is same. Now again take common from this two term. P minus 7 is common in both the term. So here will we have p plus and here 5. So the factors of p square minus 2p minus 35 are p minus 7 and p plus 5.